Hi, and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making a California Sushi Bowl. For our ingredients, we have cooked sushi rice, an avocado, crab meat, seaweed sheets, and English cucumber. For our sauce, we have mayonnaise, sriracha, soy sauce, and roasted sesame oil. You could cut up your vegetables how you would like to. I cut up my cucumbers in slices, and I cut up my crab meat into little pieces. So here we're gonna make our sauce. We're gonna add our soy sauce into our mayonnaise, and we're gonna add our roasted sesame oil. And then we're gonna add our sriracha. You wanna make sure that you mix everything together and make sure that it is well combined. We have our rice, so now we're just gonna lay our cucumbers down. Now I'm adding the crab meat. And now I'm just laying down the avocado, the cut up avocado. I cut my avocado into slices. And here we're gonna add our seaweed. I'm just gonna crunch my seaweed up and just sprinkle it in the middle of my sushi bowl. And then next, I'm just gonna pipe on my sauce on the top of my sushi bowl. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of black sesame seeds on the top. And that is it. This is quick, easy, and delicious, and not too many carbs, even though you have your rice. But it's still delicious. It's something that you can make ahead of a time and keep it in the refrigerator, and when you're ready to eat it, it's there. We have made a California Sushi Bowl. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.